Well, CDA is the school that I went to where they actually treated me like I was important. Probably within the first 3 days of being here, they brought my confidence back up from the gutter from where the previous school had left me. It doesn't matter who you get, you're going to have somebody sitting right next to you at your window telling you what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. If you're driving an 80,000-pound vehicle, there's a level of safety that you have to perform that you can't do in your passenger vehicle. And literally every single turn on that steering wheel, 1 degree changes how that vehicle moves. Not like a normal car where you can just crank it like this. I can go a quarter turn and that's gonna put me in my parking spot. CDA absolutely prepared me for that. This was a far better experience than anything I've experienced before. It can be daunting for the first time, but if you stick it through, it is a rewarding position.